The potential differences across the resistance, capacitance, and inductance are 80 volts, 40 volts, and 100 volts respectively in an LCR circuit. What is the power factor of the circuit? To find the power factor in an LCR circuit, we need to determine the phase difference between total voltage and the current. The power factor cos phi is given by the ratio of the real power P to the apparent power S. Total voltage in an LCR circuit is the vector sum of the individual voltage drop across the resistor R, capacitor C, and inductor L. And the current in the circuit is the same through all components, but the voltages across LCR may differ in phase. The voltages across the components are given as voltage across resistance VR is equal to 80 volts, voltage across capacitance VC is equal to 40 volts, and voltage across inductance VL is equal to 100 volts. Let's first find the impedance of the circuit. The total voltage in the LCR circuit can be found using the vector sum of individual voltages across each component. The impedance of the circuit can be calculated as Z is equal to square root of VR square plus VL minus VC the whole square. The phase angle between the two voltage and current can be found using the following relation. Cos phi is equal to VR by V total. Let's plug in the values in the impedance circuit. We get Z is equal to square root of 80 square plus 100 minus 40 the whole square, which is equal to square root of 6400 plus 3600, which is equal to square root of 10,000, which is nothing but 100 ohms. Total voltage is again given by the formula V total is equal to square root of VR square plus VL minus VC the whole square, which is nothing but 80 square plus 60 square, which is again equal to square root of 10,000, so it is 100 volts. Now the power factor is cos phi, which is equal to VR by V total, which is nothing but 80 by 100. We get 0.8. Thus the power factor of the circuit is 0.8. So option A is the right answer.